Now, competitive examinations are multiple field. I, Bhushan, welcome you in that. There are multiple exams like one taken by the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, Grade B. NABARD exams are been also there for the development officers post. Then even staff selection commission take for multiple government services, central government services the exams. Even there is MPSC famously, Maharashtra Public Service Commission. Then there is IBPS, Banking Personal Services. For the bank PO, probationary officers, they take an exam regularly. Even the Railway Recruitment Board conduct the exam regularly for technical and non-technical services. Even the CDS exam is there well known, and Combined Defence Services, and even the EPFO, Employees Provident Fund Officer exam is there. So there are so many exams, so much of plethora of them that nearly every Sunday the exam goes on. But overall, this competitive examination has some common features into them, some common similarities. So what we will do, we will take a master exam, and that is UPSC, Union Public Service Commission exam, also called as a Civil Services Examination, popularly called as IAS examination, or in the British period it is called as ICS, Indian Civil Services. So it's a master examination. Once you understand its pattern, its ideas, then understanding the other competitive examinations is not very difficult as such. So we'll start from IAS and go through it. If once the UPSC is done, then other exams also you can give and clear, or you can separately choose to give any of them and make it your career. That's not an issue as such. So overall, this competitive exam has some common features, that they had a syllabus of course, but bit open-ended syllabus is there, that not close-ended. When they say science, it could be like general science, in which even some of physics, some of chemistry, some of botany may come into it. When they say geography, it's a general geography, and different parts of geography, physical geography, general geography are being covered into it. Other feature than academic exam is that, difference is that academic exam we had a university pattern. When you do the BSc, you do the particular subject on the BSc. When you do BCom, you focus on commerce, or you do the engineering, say mechanical, then you focus on the mechanical parts of it. But here, there are multiple type of subjects being covered, which are that way not directly connected to each other, like history, polity, economics, geography, international relationship, etc. So multiple subjects are been there, such a way that no one particular graduate gets a special advantage. All graduates are at the same level, and nobody get a special advantage than the other. Next feature is that academic examinations are like a linear pattern. Suppose you clear the FYJC, then you go to SYJC. If you fail in the FYJC, then again you sit for FYJC and then go to SYJC like that. But here in the preliminary, mains and interview pattern, things are more like a snakes and ladder game. If you are going up on the ladder and suddenly got a snake, then you have to come down suddenly. That is, if you clear the prelim and go to mains, if you clear the mains exam and go to interview and not able to get a post, then next year you have to start again from the prelim. So this snake and ladder game is very interesting. Every year the exam starts only, refreshes, resets, as in our electronic language we call it a reset button, and every year the competition start anew in this examination. So that also make it different from the academic world. Academic world, you get a degree, but you may not get a job. Here exactly opposite happen. You have to study and still you get a job, but do not get any degree. So even of course getting job is more important maybe than getting a degree itself. So this is some of the difference between the academic pattern and how the competitive exams are being conducted.